Hi everyone, this is Faye with Relax and Scrap. I am here for a video share. I am joining in with Veronica, who is lead ball in one, for her series that she has that's called Try It Tuesday. And what I have always wanted to try was my hand at making an album, which I have made albums before, but I mean an album with all the bells and whistles, the flips and the folds and all that. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I do have some of the products still out, but I have used up mostly everything. So let me see, maybe I can just pull it out as I go. Well, this is the that I used to create the album, and I used the biggest one, and all of the layering pieces, I've used everything in here. So I use what is that paper? It's Prima paper, and it's apricot honey. I believe that's the name of the paper that I use. I was trying to see if I had it laying around here, but like I said, I only had scraps left of the paper. So here is the album. This was a flower that I purchased from someone off of YouTube. I can't even remember her name. It's been so long ago, but I dug it out and used it. This was some lace trim that I had. This was a bow that was gifted to me from someone. I can't remember who it was either. This was a bling from my stash. And that memories come from this right here. And I just double layered it. So here's the inside. And I actually, when you start seeing this pink, it was because I used all my brown paper that I had from Basic Gray, and I didn't have enough. So this is the first page, and it is magnetized, which I am loving this album. This is the second page, and it is also magnetized. And all the pages are open at the top, so you can put cards down there. But I'm going to have to order some more paper in order to complete this album. And she used different dyes. Well, I didn't always have the dye that she used, so I just used what I had on hand. So that is how that pocket is made. And here's this pocket right here. She used magnets throughout, but I even was running out of magnets because, like I said, this was really labor intense. So I just put Velcro to hold us down. And this was another tonic. Well, I gotta find it. I don't have my hand, can't get my hand on it right now, but I was going to show you that dye. But it's another tonic dye, and it goes with the bookkeepers. Oh, here it is. That's this one right here. And it's just plenty of more pages to journal and put your put photos in. I don't know what's going on with that one. I'm gonna have to work on that. That's strange. And here's the next page, and it's just a whole, and mine, hers stayed tight in there, but for some reason mine wouldn't stay tight. That's why I had that clip up there to hold these pages in place, this behind this belly band. I could have made more of these to make it tight, but I was trying to, like I say, spare my paper because it had a lot. You use a lot of paper, is what I'm saying, when you're making these albums. And this was another pocket that she made. And, of course, she put something else in here, but I just put these two things in here. And this actually opens up like that. And see how that's coming off? I'm going to have to get that back on there some kind of way. I guess if I use magnets, I wouldn't have to worry about that. But like I said, I ran out of magnets when I was making this as well. This is the next page. I'm not going to open this bow, but this slides out and you can journal or add a photo on the back of there. This is another one. She added a different tab right here, but I just made that hanging jewelry charm right there. And she made a little book. And her name was Tamra. I can't remember. Tamra something. I'll put her link in the description. And then she did a waterfall. And I did one as well. She used a different waterfall from what I did. But what I did, I stuck mine on this file folder and opened it up. So you got more room to do something here. I also have a page that I did not get to complete. Because like I said, I ran out of paper. So, y'all please hit the like button. Y'all please subscribe. When I finished the book, because like I said, I didn't get to complete it. I didn't get to add any details to a lot of the pages. I didn't get to add the inserts or anything like that. And I didn't finish that last page. I can come back and show it later. But this is my submission. And y'all go check out Veronica. She is VBallin1. And I'm sure it will be some other ladies that will be joining her. I know I have been seeing Lady Creed join her, who is Fun Creations. I don't know if she'll be in this one this week, but I know I've been seeing her participate. So y'all go check out everyone. And thanks for stopping by.